Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck and dreaming of financial freedom? It's time to turn those dreams into reality. Join us as we take a deep dive into the secrets of creating wealth, as revealed in the book, 12 Months to $1 Million. Get ready to embark on a journey to financial success and change your life forever. In today's video we will be summarizing the book 12 Months to $1 Million, How to Turn Your Idea into a Business That Works by Andrew Matejko. This book is a step-by-step guide to creating a successful business and reaching $1 million in revenue within a year. The author shares his experience and lessons learned while building several successful companies and offers practical advice on how to turn your idea into a profitable business. Chapter 1 starts off with the concept of the power of ideas. The power of ideas is a core concept outlined in the book. It emphasizes the importance of having unique and innovative ideas in the pursuit of entrepreneurship and financial success. According to the author, coming up with ideas is the first step to building a successful business. He argues that having a great idea is the key to unlocking a world of possibilities and opportunities for growth and financial stability. One of the examples given in the book is about a young entrepreneur who came up with the idea of creating a new type of insulated water bottle that could keep drinks cold for hours. He saw a gap in the market for a product that would meet this need, and went on to build a successful business around it. The author explains that this entrepreneur was able to turn his idea into a profitable venture because he was able to identify a problem that people faced and found a solution for it. Another example is about a company that provides a subscription-based service for organic produce delivery. The founder came up with the idea after noticing a gap in the market for fresh, locally sourced produce that was easily accessible for people who lived in urban areas. By capitalizing on this opportunity, the company was able to grow rapidly and become a successful business. These examples illustrate the power of ideas in creating successful businesses. According to the author, having a unique and innovative idea is the foundation for creating a profitable venture, and this is what sets successful entrepreneurs apart from those who struggle to achieve their goals. Here are actionable steps one can take from the book to apply the power of ideas concept. Start with a broad list of ideas. Write down as many ideas as you can. Don't worry about the quality or feasibility of the idea at this stage. Just focus on getting them down on paper. Narrow down the list. Evaluate each idea and eliminate the ones that are not feasible or not in line with your goals. Research your ideas. Gather information on your remaining ideas. Look at market trends. Identify potential competitors, and consider customer demand. Pick the best idea. After researching your ideas, choose the one that has the most potential for success. Test your idea. Validate your idea by conducting surveys, talking to potential customers, and gathering feedback from those who would use the product or service. Refine your idea. Based on the feedback received, make changes to your idea and refine it to meet the needs of your target market. Make a plan. Develop a plan for bringing your idea to life, including details on product development, marketing, and sales strategies. Take action. Start bringing your idea to life. Take the necessary steps to launch your product or service and begin reaching out to customers. Validating your idea is a crucial step in the process of growing a successful business. The author emphasizes the importance of this step to avoid wasting time, money and resources on a concept that might not be viable in the marketplace. According to the book, before investing significant time and effort into a business idea, it is important to validate its potential by testing the market demand. This can be done through a variety of methods such as online surveys, interviews with potential customers, and focus groups. The author gives the example of a business idea for a new type of water bottle with a built-in filtration system. Before launching the product, the entrepreneur could conduct surveys to gauge interest, speak with customers to see if they would actually use the product, and get feedback on the design and price point. Validating your idea also involves understanding your target market, researching your competitors, and determining your unique selling proposition. The author provides the example of a company that wanted to launch a line of organic snacks. Before diving into production, the company conducted market research to determine the target demographic, studied the competition and identified their unique selling proposition as using only non-GMO ingredients. By taking the time to validate your idea, you can increase the chances of success and avoid costly mistakes. It is important to remember that validation does not guarantee success, but it does reduce the risk and increase the chances of success. Here are actionable steps one can take from the book to apply the validating your idea concept. Define your idea. Start by clarifying your idea and making sure it's specific and easily understandable. Research your target market. Learn about the potential customers for your idea and what their needs and desires are. Conduct customer interviews. Reach out to potential customers and ask for their feedback on your idea. This will give you valuable insights into whether or not your idea has potential. Create a prototype. Build a simple version of your product or service to test its viability and gather more feedback from potential customers. Test and iterate. Use the feedback you receive from customers to refine your idea and make improvements. Keep testing and iterating until you have a product or service that resonates with your target market. Measure success. Keep track of key metrics such as customer acquisition, usage, and satisfaction to measure the success of your idea and make informed decisions about its future. Be open to pivoting. Be open to the possibility that your initial idea may not be the best fit for your target market. Be prepared to pivot and make changes if necessary in order to validate your idea and find success. Building a minimum viable product is a crucial step in the process of turning your idea into a profitable business. The goal of building a MVP is to create a simplified version of your product or service that can be used to validate its viability in the market. This helps entrepreneurs to minimize the risk of wasting time and resources on building something that people are not interested in. The author emphasizes the importance of creating an MVP that is focused on solving the core problem that your target audience is facing. He stresses that the MVP should only include the bare minimum features that are needed to validate the idea, without any additional bells and whistles. For example, let's say you have an idea for a new food delivery service that would offer healthier options than other delivery services. Your MVP could be a simple website where customers can order healthy food from a limited selection of restaurants in their area. By launching this MVP, you can validate whether there is a market for your idea and gather feedback from customers. This allows you to focus your resources and efforts on the most important aspects of your business, while also reducing the risk of wasting time and money on features that may not be necessary or useful. Building a MVP is an iterative process, and it's important to continue testing and refining your product until you have a clear understanding of what your customers want and need. To apply the building a minimum viable product concept from the book, the following are actionable steps you can take. Identify your core value proposition. Start by defining what problem your product will solve and what makes it unique. This will serve as the foundation for your MVP. Focus on the essential features. Determine the minimum set of features that are required to deliver your core value proposition and nothing more. This will help keep your MVP simple and focused. Test with potential customers. Gather feedback from potential customers to validate your MVP. This will help you refine your product and ensure it meets the needs of your target market. Build a prototype. Use your MVP to create a simple prototype that can be tested and refined. This will help you identify any weaknesses in your product before you invest too much time and resources. Continuously iterate. Keep refining your MVP based on customer feedback. This will help you build a better product and increase the chances of success. Launch your MVP. Once you have validated your MVP, it's time to launch it to the public. Start by launching a small-scale pilot and gradually ramp up as you gain more traction. Remember, the goal of an MVP is to validate your idea and get feedback from real customers as quickly as possible. By focusing on the essentials and iterating based on customer feedback, you can increase the chances of success and minimize the risk of failure. Finding and building a team is a crucial aspect of growing your business and achieving success. In the book, the authors emphasize the importance of having the right people on board to help you reach your goals. They highlight several key factors to consider when putting together your team, including: hire people with complementary skills. You want to bring on individuals who have different strengths and weaknesses than you do. This will help you cover more ground and increase the chances of success. Look for people who share your vision. Having a team that is aligned with your mission and values will help ensure everyone is working together towards the same goal. Prioritize culture fit. You want to bring on individuals who will mesh well with the existing team and company culture. This will help foster a positive work environment and reduce the likelihood of conflict. Consider your team's experience. When hiring, look for individuals who have experience in your industry or a related field. This will give them a better understanding of the challenges you face and help them contribute more effectively to the team. Be open to remote team members. In today's digital age, it's becoming increasingly common for businesses to have remote employees. Don't be afraid to consider remote candidates who bring valuable skills to the table. There are many real-life examples of businesses that have put the principles of finding and building your team into practice and achieved great success as a result. One such example is Zappos, the online shoe and clothing retailer, which was co-founded by Tony Hsieh in 1999. Hsieh focused on building a company culture that prioritized employee happiness and strong relationships between team members. This approach helped attract top talent to the company, leading to rapid growth and eventually, a sale to Amazon in 2009. Another example is Airbnb, the home-sharing platform, which was founded in 2008. The founders of Airbnb placed a strong emphasis on building a diverse and talented team of employees who shared a passion for the company's mission. This focus on team building helped Airbnb grow rapidly and become one of the largest and most successful home-sharing platforms in the world. Finally, there is the example of HubSpot, the inbound marketing and sales platform, which was founded in 2006. The co-founders of HubSpot understood the importance of finding and building the right team, and they made this a top priority from the very beginning. By attracting top talent and fostering a strong company culture, HubSpot has become a leader in its industry and has experienced tremendous growth. In the book, the authors provide real-life examples of businesses that have put these principles into practice, helping to illustrate the importance of finding and building the right team. By taking the time to put together a strong, supportive, and complementary team, you can help set yourself up for success and reach your goals faster. The author stresses the importance of effective marketing and sales strategies in achieving success with your business. The book provides examples and guidance on how to reach your target audience and convert them into customers. One example from the book is the importance of understanding your customers' needs and preferences. The author suggests conducting market research and surveys to gather information about your target audience and using that information to tailor your marketing and sales strategies. This will help you better connect with your customers and increase your chances of success. The book also emphasizes the importance of creating a strong brand image and establishing a unique identity in the marketplace. This can be achieved through consistent messaging, design, and advertising efforts. Additionally, the author suggests utilizing various marketing channels such as social media, email marketing, and content marketing to reach a wider audience and build a strong online presence. In terms of sales, the author stresses the importance of building relationships with customers and providing excellent customer service. This will help you establish a loyal customer base and increase the chances of repeat business and referrals. Additionally, the author suggests regularly tracking and analyzing your sales metrics to identify areas for improvement and make data-driven decisions. Overall, the book provides a comprehensive overview of the key elements of successful marketing and sales strategies, including market research, branding, customer relationship building, and performance tracking. By following the guidelines and examples provided in the book, entrepreneurs can increase their chances of achieving success with their business in 12 months or less. Scaling your business is a crucial step in growing a successful and profitable company. According to the book, scaling involves expanding your business beyond its current state, whether it be through increasing the number of customers, expanding into new markets, or launching new products. To do this effectively, the book outlines several key strategies and tips for success, including: define your vision and goals. Before you can begin scaling, it's important to have a clear understanding of what you want to achieve. This includes defining your long-term vision for the company, as well as specific goals for the next 12 months. Focus on your core competencies. When scaling, it's important to focus on what your business does best and what sets it apart from competitors. This will help you prioritize your resources and focus on the areas where you can have the most impact. Create a solid infrastructure. As your business grows, it's important to have a strong foundation in place to support it. This includes systems and processes to manage operations, finances, and customer service. Build strong partnerships. Collaborating with other companies and individuals can be a powerful way to drive growth and scale your business. Look for opportunities to form strategic partnerships that can help you reach new markets and expand your customer base. Invest in technology and automation. To scale effectively, you need to be able to streamline your operations and automate tasks where possible. This will help you increase efficiency, reduce costs, and free up time to focus on other areas of the business. These are just a few of the strategies outlined in the book, 12 Months to $1 Million, for scaling a successful and profitable business. By following these steps and tips, you can create a roadmap for growth and put your company on the path to reaching its full potential. In conclusion, 12 Months to $1 Million is a comprehensive guide to turning your idea into a successful business. The author provides practical advice and actionable steps to help you validate your idea, build a team, market your business, and scale it to reach $1 million in revenue within a year. If you're ready to turn your idea into a successful business, this book is a great resource to have on hand. Thank you for watching this video summarizing the book 12 Months to $1 Million. We hope this video has given you a better understanding of the key principles and strategies outlined in the book. If you're ready to turn your idea into a successful business, be sure to check out this book for all the practical advice and guidance you need. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about the book, please leave a comment below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.